Morning guys, in front of me is Redmi 13X and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select fingerprints, face data and screen lock, choose fingerprint unlock, and at first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. As you can see, it can be pattern, pin code or the password, whatever you prefer. I'll go with pattern. As you can see, you need to remember your password, otherwise you will have to erase all data on your device. Tap on got it, and now enter it here. Then click on, okay, so you need to re-enter it and then click on confirm. As you can see, fingerprint sensor is located on your power button, so just hold your device as you usually do it and keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. And that's it. As you can see, from now on, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only, just like this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.